How to get VIP on Litmatch. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to get VIP on Litmatch. So in order to get VIP on Litmatch, you typically need to follow the steps. The first thing is you can open up the Litmatch app on your device and then log in into your Litmatch account. Then you can go and look for the option to upgrade to VIP. This is usually found on apps navigation or in the section related to account settings or subscriptions. So for that, you can go ahead and tap the profile icon, and accordingly you can also go to the diamonds and then you can upgrade it in that way. Or else if you find a direct way, you can go ahead and tap the settings icon, and right on this page you can go to accounts, and here you should be able to find this option. If not, then you can just go ahead and proceed on with the diamond as well. Then you can just select the payment method by tapping on the diamond right on top and select what sort of diamond you wish to purchase, and accordingly follow the prompt and instructions to complete the VIP subscription purchase. And this may involve confirming your payment details and agreeing to the terms and conditions of the subscriptions. And once the purchase is completed, your account should be upgraded to VIP status, and you'll have all the exclusive features and benefit available with the VIP subscription plan you choose. So that's how you can get VIP on Litmatch. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.